Hi, before we start, I'd like to ask you a question. What do you get if you have an artist silicone comb, a palette knife tool, one of those things that stops the nasties going down the sink, a fish slice, a modelling paste? Let's go find out. Hi everyone, welcome back to Gillian's Art Flow. Thank you for joining me. If it's your first time, thank you for giving me a chance. So what am I going to be doing today? Well, see this? This is what I did last time. I'll put a link up if you haven't already seen it. It took me a while to get to where this is, but I loved every minute of it. And oh boy, whenever I look at this painting now, it gives a big beaming smile on my face. I love it. I love the texture in it. I love the fact that it's quite touchy-feely, the colours, everything about it. Honestly, it brings me so much joy. So I'm going to continue on my journey with the modelling paste. I use the Galleria one, the Winsor & Newton modelling paste, so I'm going to be using that. I'm using a 12 by 24 inch used canvas, so there's nothing wrong with a used canvas, and I've just been presented with a really big garage bill, so my savings have been kind of chopped off around the ankles, but I don't want to give up painting, so I'm going to be going over. You'll see me using a few used canvases. I'm going to bring you down and we'll get on with this. As always, I'm not quite sure what's going to happen. It'll develop as I go along. Let's go and have some fun.
White lace on the outside, satin pillows on the inside, spinning gears of gold making noise, a ballerina with such poise. Too bad her porcelain heart's been broken, 'cause it's just so fragile. Can you fix my music box? My heart is shy just like my thoughts. I just want the song to play, the one that takes my breath away. Can you fix my music box? The ribbon's frayed, you've gone astray. Can you fix my music box? The doll won't move and the song won't start.
Just wanted to pop on and say a quick bye to those who only watched the first 4 minutes. Your time's nearly up. For the rest of us, we're going to wait till the end. Absolutely stunning.
Left in pieces where you dropped me. I don't know how you already forgot me. You ran away with no regard. We were so close, but now we're far. Too bad I'm broken from words unspoken. I just want to be cared for again. takes my breath away. Can you fix my music box? The ribbon's frayed, you've gone astray. Can you fix my music box? The don't want moving, the song won't start. Sunlight, warm nights, can't do much. I still feel your ice cold skin. Rice wine, candlelight is still not enough for me to know about your ins and outs. You're letting me know you want me.
So, this is where I stop the process of blending, looking for the colour, trying different things. This is a process that seems to, it takes a while. The thing is that I never know what I want to do, I find, on these paintings. I know the colour-ish that I want to use, but I don't know the colour that I want until I get it. It's such a strange process really for me to go through, because I very much like to know what I'm doing. I like a plan. I like to know. But of course, with abstract painting, you simply don't. Or at least, I don't. Somehow, I eventually get there. And honestly, so far, I can say it's worth the wait.
We just jump in the deep end. I won't let you drown. I won't let you down. Jump in the deep end. Oh, I won't let you drown. I won't let you down. Oh, no. gonna play out the same, the same, the same, the same. Hey, I love you better today than yesterday.
I started to realise round about now that if I wanted to do the swipe as I was heading, then I couldn't have the pattern bits, because with the swipe and the pattern bits, for me, that was just way too busy, and I'm trying to find peace and quiet and a gentleness to these paintings.
It's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. Growing as one, not growing apart. Apart. Say what we mean, say it from the heart. From the heart. Wrinkles and grays, don't be alarmed, because you're safe with me. The beautiful signs of our story so far, so far. Both called it from the beginning. We called it, we called it. We knew that there had to be us. Knew that there had to be us. Do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. Fight some fights, we'll keep trust. And you make me wanna say, I love you better today than yesterday. And every day it's gonna play out the same, the same, the same. Gonna play out the same. I love you better today than yesterday. And every day it's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. La da 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 play out the same. I love you better today than yesterday. It's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same.
There we have it, the finished article. It is beautiful. I love how it is lighter here on the middle bit than round the edge. It's a gorgeous, it looks black here, but it is a beautiful deep blue. But you know, I think what makes this painting so lovely is the texture, the old texture, which is this bit, which was on the original, and then the new textured bits. That's what makes this painting special.
Better than yesterday, love more today. It's gonna play out the same.